Sitting here charging the vehicle for the first time, and haven't read any manuals or anything. Most of these videos I'm doing are just observations live as I'm finding them out. But when you plug it in, this little light with the lock pops up. I don't really know exactly what that is. Again, I'll have to obviously read the manual. But so those lights pop up, and while it's charging, seems like it doesn't give you an indication that it's charging on the inside at all. Seems kind of counterintuitive. It just would seem instinctive that it would let you know that it's charging. Let's see on the app, does it tell you at all? Okay, so on the app it tells you that it's charging. Estimated finish time is at 10:09 a.m. 10:09. If I remember correctly, it was at 200 miles. The indicator said, let's see, I can turn it on. See if it gives you any indication. Let's close the door. So yeah, it's at 203 miles now. I think it was at 200 even when I decided to come and charge it up. I'm having my 240 watt charge and start at the house today, but I just wanted to see how it charges. So I don't see, okay, yeah, I guess that's an indicator, a little indicator that it's charging. But again, I had to cut the car on in order to see that. But okay.